My AI trading bot made $16.24 today. Here's exactly what it did, in 90 seconds. Today it sold CDNA, ABCL, 3 orders in total, all picked by the algorithm. For context, the bot's account typically moves about 1.4% a day, so today's 0.4% was a quiet, ordinary session. Zooming out, the account sits at $4,388.19, up $888.19, that's plus 25.4% since the experiment started. Every trade is decided by a genetic algorithm-optimized strategy. No gut feelings allowed. Here's the scorecard so far. Across 30 track days the bot has been green 41% of the time. Its best day gained 1.8%, its worst lost 6.4%, and right now the account is 9.6% below its peak of $4,852.76. It's now on a 2-day winning streak. Inside the book, 32% sits in a diversified ETF sleeve, the rest is the stock-picking engine, running at 67% invested. Top holdings are on screen. At 67% invested it's running a balanced, middle-of-the-road posture and it has $863.36 parked in treasury bills, earning yield while it waits. Remember, the strategy can't predict the future, it just sizes its bets to survive being wrong. The portfolio runs on 2 engines. About a third sits in a dual momentum ETF sleeve that rotates across stocks, bonds, gold and commodities. The rest is the stock-picking book. They lean on each other, so when one zigs, the other can zag, that's the whole point of diversifying. Same time tomorrow, the bot trades once a day at noon, win or lose, and every result gets posted. Subscribe to follow the experiment, one trading day at a time.